Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTubers, how are you? I think you are good. I'm fine. My name is MD Sohanur Rahman Suhel. Welcome to Python tutorial 26. List method. Today we will learn in Python how to use the list method and how to coding for it. The list parameter function accepts any iterable as its argument and the return value is a list object. It's very simple. List parameter takes an iterable object as input and adds its element to a newly created list. Let's start. First, write here a variable and some number between the square bracket. Write a print statement. Now, if we run the program, the square bracket of the variable are the number. The program will show that. But now we can use another method to connect another number. I will do this using append method. Write here variable name is followed by a comma. I see a lot of methods. Take what you need from here. I need append. Enter the parameter 30. Let's run the program. See, we have coding to add 30. So program executed within this 30 square bracket. See here, the number is attached to the end of everything. But we use another method to add the number. We can place it wherever we want. Is the insert method. Let's use this method. Write here insert. Write 0. I want to first create this 30. Let's run the program. See the number parameter 0 in the space before for the reasons of the comma. The number we have attached is now displayed first. Now if we want to remove a number from here, we can do this. So using method. The removal method must be used after the variable name and comma. The removal method sets now in the middle of the parameter. Enter the number you want to remove. Write here removal method. Write here a number you want to remove. Let's run the program. See, we are coding for remove 9. So the program remove it. Now, if we want to remove all the number, we need to use another method. This is clear method. Write here clear method. There is no need to enter anything in between the parameter. Run the program. See the program cleared all the number. That is the program will work exactly how you do the coding. Now use another method that will be used to remove only the last character. This is the pop method. Write here pop method and run the program. Look at the program that just removed the last number. Let's use another method, the sort method. This sort method will sort the number of variable from small to large. Write here sort. Run the program. See the program is organized from small to large. 0, 3, 5, 7, 9. If I use another method, this is the revise method. It will show the opposite, means big to small. Let's run the program. Look now, from big to small, 97530. We can use the method inside the print statement parameter. Here you need to type the method variable name followed by a comma. Let's try index method. Write here a number you want to find out. Here I used the index method. Using this index method, we will find out how many numbers are in a number. After the method, I write 5 in the middle of the parameter. Let's run the program. See, there are 5 in 0 numbers, so the program shows the 0 number. Now, if the number is not here, then if we use this method, then the program will show the error. Let's take a look. Right here 50, run the program. See program error because there are no 50 anywhere, so it looks error. Value error. 50 is not in list. Now, if we want to write that 50 between this number variable, then it will show false. Then it will act as a boolean value. So the program will answer this is false. Let's write. Run the program. See, the program is answering it as false. Like I said, here we use another method method is count method. Here we write another 5. Using this method, we will know how many numbers are contained in the variable. Run the program. See, we did coding to find 5 and the program find out how many 5 are there. So it 2. Thank you so much because you watched the entire video. So watch and practice all the videos. One day we will be a professional programmer. To watch the next video, subscribe and click on the bell icon. I wish you the best in your life. You are always good. Bye.